How to fix Garena? Your password cannot be reset at this time. To fix the issue, you can follow this step. So first, check your server status. So first, visit the Garena website or official social media to see if there are any known server outage. If the server are down, this issue could be temporary. After fix the server issue, this will be solved. After that, clear cache and cookies. If you are using browser, then try to clear cache and cookies. This can fix with stored data that might be causing the error. And then for mobile, go to settings, apps and Garena and then clear cache. After that, use a different browser or device. You can try to use a different browser or different device. Sometimes the issue can be specific to your browser or device. Try resetting your password on different browser or device. And then try a different email. If you have multiple email accounts linked to Garena account, try using an alternative email address for the password reset process. And then check for account restriction. Garena may temporarily block password reset request. If there are suspicious activity on your account, check your email for any alert or warning from Garena regarding account security. And then wait and retry. If none of the above step doesn't work, then wait 24 to 48 hours and try resetting your password again. Sometimes the issue resolves itself after a period of time. And then contact Garena support. If the problem persists, reach out to Garena customer support for assistance. Provide them as much detail as possible, like error message, account details, etc. And finally, always make sure your email address is correct and accessible. Double check your spam junk folder for any resetting link from Garena. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.